Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. It's Friday, May 3rd, 2024. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So I figured I'd show you today, again, showing you some seasonality this week and how I use it. So this is Tesla on the daily chart. And what you can see now is the trend indicator has now started green. Okay, so again, during this downward movement, okay, I'm not focused on long plays at all. In fact, if anything, I'm looking at shorts. But now that we've got the weekly Heikin candle closing green for the week, okay, and we've got projected beautiful seasonal upside on Tesla. Okay, now I'm starting to get interested here on a potential long play on Tesla. And so what I'll be looking for going into next week then, with the weekly turning green now, is I'll be looking for new entry opportunities off the daily chart here. Remember, this is the daily chart here. This is the weekly with the seasonal on the right. So I'm looking for the Laguerre to come back down and come out of here, whenever that is, for my long trigger on Tesla. There's also other entries that I'll go into much more detail on tomorrow's webinar. So tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern, again, it's www.becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Tomorrow, Saturday, May 4th at 10 o'clock Eastern, I'm going to go over how I use seasonality in my trading, and I look forward to seeing everybody there. So have a great night and hope to see you tomorrow. Take care.